what I wouldn't do for a cup of coffee.
Good morning, sir. Your complimentary morning beverage.
Thank you.
Your teacher liked the project. That's great, kiddo. Did you send it to me?
Okay. All right, baby, I'm gonna go ahead and check it.
Entering my password. Yeah, yes. Ha, free Wi-Fi. Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Your complimentary clothes press and shoe shine.
Have a safe trip. Oh, Mr. Floyd?
Yes.
It looks to me like you've been with us for 10 nights, which means the next one's on us.
Thank you so much.